The Nintendo Museum is set to open on October 2nd, 2024, in Uji City, Kyoto, Japan. This museum, located at the site of the former Uji Ogura Plant, will showcase a wide range of Nintendo's products, highlighting the company's rich history from its origins in traditional playing cards to its modern gaming innovations like the Nintendo Switch. The museum will feature interactive exhibits, allowing visitors to engage with Nintendo's creative legacy. One unique experience includes making your own Hanafuda playing cards, a nod to Nintendo's beginnings. Additionally, the museum will have a cafe offering customizable hamburgers and a shop with exclusive merchandise. Tickets for the museum are available through a lottery system, requiring advance reservations. The museum will be open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., with the last admission at 4:30 p.m. It will be closed on Tuesdays and during the New Year's holiday season. For more details on visiting the museum and the ticketing process, you can check the